When two senior brothers in our community can get together on a table and talk to each other, that is very important. And what I want to say is some communities or some other leaders out there become very uncomfortable when our leaders sit together.
I have informed the governor. I was not holding a gun on his head for him to tell me no or yes. He has shared with us words of wisdom. I would like to encourage Kenyans to see the positive side of this initiative, namely that today we have said with Governor Oparanya that there can be nothing that would make us not to agree to work together for the sake of development of Kakamega. So we have said, me and Governor Oparanya, we will work together for the sake of development in this county. We've also agreed that we shall reach out to all the shades of opinion in this county, MCS, MPs, together with the current governor to make sure that Kakamega succeed. When Kakamega succeeds, then the vision we shared with Governor Oparanya in 2013, when he became governor and I became senator, will be actualized. So we are encouraging Governor Oparanya in 2027 not to aim low, to aim high. And we are prepared to support him in that position at the higher level that he's going to aspire for, because it should not be criminalized that when Kakamega asks for the highest position in the land or the second highest position in the land, it is disrespectful to some other county in our community.
But today we have sat together and we have decided to bury any differences.